How to see your first message on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to see your first message on Instagram, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into the Instagram app. Perfectly, now when you're on the Instagram app, then we just need to find the chat that we want to see the first message in. So I'm going to click on the home button and I'm going to click here and basically just select a chat that I want to see the first message in basically. So let's say that I want to see my very first message in this chat right here. And what you want to do actually is to click, it's basically in the top right corner. For me, it's like, you can see my battery percentage in the top right corner, but for you, it might be like a Wi-Fi symbol, for example, but just click there. And I'm going to click there right now. Perfectly, as you can see, it actually like move me to my first message kind of like straight away basically. It might be that you have to do this a couple of times actually, so maybe one time is not enough, but just keep doing it and it will actually load very quickly and you will be able to find your first message on Instagram doing this exact way. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm actually trying to grow like the biggest how-to channel on YouTube and I would really appreciate your support. So thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.